for you guys. This is part 2 of Fortnite. Playing Fortnite, I guess. And we're playing with Gamer Bamer and Ivan King and Emma and Eman Jr. I think. Okay, wait, let me. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, wait. The thing is not out. I don't know why. Okay, let's start this game, guys. I don't know if this can be part 2 because I don't know if that other video even got out. So let's just call this a part 1. Is it out? Is it out? Let me refresh. No, it's not out. Oh, but I didn't. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy. Are gonna enjoy this video because this is gonna be a good one, you know. Let me just take. Oh my god! Let me take my face cam down here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let you guys like see. You are? Yeah, it's out because he's watching it. Okay, where do you guys want to go? Okay, Salty Springs it is. Wait, guys, do you hear yourself in the video I posted? Does someone hear? Because I don't know if they can hear you. Yeah, they can hear you. Okay, then let's go, Salty. Let's get a victory royale. I don't think we're gonna get a victory royale because I suck at PC. Your names are gonna be down in the description, guys. If you want to. What? How did you get that umbrella? Oh, it's the new win umbrella. Guys, I got a purple sniper. Oh. And a blue tack! What kind of start is this? I got it! Purple sniper, like a bolt action sniper purple. Come to me! And because I have a blue shotgun and a pump. Oh my goodness! Does someone want a pump? Whoa! Guys! I got the best start in Fortnite history! Guys, come to me. I have shotguns for all of you. Let me. Okay, take that shotgun. And here's the shotgun for you. And there's the shotgun for you. Okay, who? Gamer Bomber. Yeah. Does someone want the blue tack? Cause I got yeah, did you get like? Okay, I need to go get my purple sniper. Okay, there it is. Because I hide it from you guys. Okay. I give you what? Okay, just stand there. I'm gonna like make like a touch. Wait, just stand there. Just stand still. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm getting shot. I can't move. Okay. I know. Yeah, me neither. Okay, stand still, gamer. Gamer, can you stand still for me? Okay. Holy. Okay. Okay, you revive. Whoa, how did that happen? Oh, that was close. I almost sniped him. Oh, if you didn't kill him, that would be perfect snipe. I'm getting shots from the other direction on the people up on the people. Oh yeah, you got him. Guy. Okay, that's my loot. Yeah. Okay, I have 0 kills. I'm so bad. Oh, mini. Yeah. Oh, okay, I have. Hi. Do someone have assault rifle I could borrow? Get it? Make sure all my aim. Does someone have an assault rifle I can have? Guys, I have all epic stuff except some bandages. What? Why are we even trying? Some. That was such a low. That's a fail, bro. There's a pump up here. I didn't push you. I didn't push nobody. Ow, why did you do that? That didn't. I see. Yeah, I'm recording. 7 minutes so far into the video. There's a med kit. Someone need. Oh yeah, I have a med kit for you. Does someone have sniper bullets? Sniper bullets?
I don't have sniper. I need medkit.
Who?
Can you give me the sniper, please?
There's a chest here. I did not notice that.
I have sniper ammo.
Yeah, I have the shield.
Can you give me sniper ammo? I have sniper ammo.
Alright, guys, I can't move.
You want this? Yes, ma'am. You can give me, please. I got the stand. That's all. Do you want Kyle? Assault rifle. Do you need sniper ammo?
Yeah, I need some. Yeah, okay, here. Medkit. I need. Who has Discord here? Who does have Discord? Okay. Okay, I hope this video makes through the whole game. Why? People? Where? People? Where are people? Is there people? I'm peeking too much.
Yeah, they're on the mountain. Kyle, they're on the mountain.
Oh yeah, mountain, I see. Oh, I almost sniped one, but he threw that poor 4. They have the high ground. I see him. He's like underneath.
I need ammo. I need medium.
He's down there. He's down. Oh, I almost sniped him. Okay. Oh my gosh, that. Oh my gosh, you guys see that? I wish I. Guy, dude, this guy is so scared. Like, let's push him.
Do I go in full fight? Hey, let's go rush him.
Yeah, let's rush him. Oh, he's shooting me. How didn't that hit?
Oh, he's again full now. Rush.
I'm rushing.
Down.
No! He destroyed my ramp.
Whoa, 47 health. He has like 53 health.
killed him. It's okay. I killed him. Yeah, I'm helping. Where are you? Okay, you're there. Oh, I got the kill. I killed him, guys. Guys, I have a gift for someone. Do someone need a blue tack? Guys, here. There's a blue tack.
I'm dead. Carl, I will watch your videos now because I'm dead.
Oh. Okay, that's good.
Wait, can you see the rifle?
How did that pop up?
I'm watching Fortnite part 1.
Which video? Oh, we gotta go in the circle, guys.
Yes. You need to go pee-pee. You need to go pee-pee. Pee-pee. Oh God.
Yeah, I know. Did I say pee-pee?
Yeah, you said, guys, I will come. I need to go pee-pee. Wait, somebody's calling me.
Okay. Guys, I can only record for 3 more minutes. Oh my God. Beat people behind. Sniped. No, I didn't snipe them. Guys, we gotta take this fight in the circle. Sniped one, hit him. He's low. He's one shot. Come on, guys, one shot. I'm going in this. Guys, we gotta take this fight in the circle. We can't take any health. We can, but we gotta take this fight in the circle. Okay, I sniped him. He's down. Okay, let's go in the circle. I'm gonna kill him just. I'm going to take his loot. And I'm coming on that ramp. No, it's okay.
Come on, please.
But he had a scar, so it's totally worth it.
Carlos, you will die.
What?
Carlos.
Why do you say Kylus? It's Kyle. Okay, I'm going. No, I'm not gonna die.
You will die, Carlos.
No. Help me. Hello, darkness friend. I meet you again. Guys, I'm gonna make it. I have a scar. Guys, hey, here, take this. Okay, guys, I got. Guys, guys, come. Sorry for that, guys. I almost died. Okay, I gotta do part 3 on this. There's a base up there. Okay, guys, I gotta do my outro. Come on. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Ciao.